Okay, great morning. It is Wednesday, May 1st. So let's get the cards out here, get them shuffled, ruffled, shuffled, and see what we have for the morning. What is the word on May 1st? First one out is a great card. Something I always say, walk your truth. It's not enough just to say the right words. You have to actually walk it. If you're not walking it, you're not being authentic. Okay? So walk your truth. Be willing to put yourself out there. Let's see what the second one we have of the day is. Dependability. Again, another very important card. Be a dependable person. Are you someone that is a man of your word? Are you a person of your word? Can you be depended upon? If you say you're going to do something, do you follow through? Or is it just a lot of hot air? Okay. So be dependable. Radiance. Summer solstice radiance. Let your light shine. Put out there who and what you are. Let people know. Okay. Don't be wearing a mask and then, they find out that you're not what you appear to be. Oh, reconnection. Okay. Is it time to reconnect with walking your truth? Have you kind of gone off the way for a while? Have you gone off your way for a while? You can always change directions, okay? You can always change directions. What else we have? May 1st, what do we have for today? Nature. Okay. If you are walking your truth, you're a dependable person, you're honest in your dealings, it will become second nature to you. Okay? It's no longer having to put on a false front. Okay? Nature doesn't lie. Nature is what you see is what you get, okay? Whether the day is stormy, whether it's sunny, whether it's like this morning and cold, okay? Nature is what nature is. Okay. Next we have the stag. Trust and thrive. Usually you give people the benefit of the doubt. Trust and thrive, okay? We always want to believe the best of people, but we keep our eyes open. But if you trust nature, you trust the universe, you trust that God center, you will thrive. Okay? May not always be easy. It doesn't say, trust and everything's going to be easy. That it's going to become like a Santa. That's not what it's saying. Trust and thrive. And last but not least, dove spirit today. Be peace. If you want peace, you need to be peace. Have the core. So, what is it that you want to see in your life? What is it do you want from the people around you? Be that. Be what it is you want to see around you. Okay? If you want peace, then be a peaceful person. Okay? So let's go through it all one more time. Let's start here. Nature. Nature is what nature is. Okay? No false face in nature. What you see is what you get. Radiance. Let your light shine. Okay. Let everybody know who and what you are. Be a dependable person. If you want to have people around you that are dependable, you be a dependable person as well. Let your word be your bond. Okay. Reconnect. If you kind of lost your connection with things, spend some time in nature. Take a lesson from nature and reconnect and find that one that you are, that you want to be. Be peace. If you want peace, then you need to be peaceful. If you're always looking for somebody to argue with, you're always looking for a dark corner, you're always looking for what's wrong, then you're not going to find peace. Okay? Be at peace where you are at. Trust and thrive. Okay. You have to trust the universe that things are going to work out. If you trust, then usually things will work out. Not always the way that you want them to, okay? Doesn't mean that life is going to go easy breezy, you know, and you're going to get everything you want. That's not what it means, okay? But things will usually work out, and you'll be surprised, you know, how you will be a little more less controlling. And you'll find out you don't have to control everything that it works out. Okay. Last but not least, we're back to the beginning. Walk your truth. Be a person of honesty. What you see is what you get. Okay, no false fronts, no lies, no drama, none of that nonsense. Be a genuine person. Okay. And you will find you will be much happier if you are a genuine person. Okay. If you are one that's open to new things. It's like, you know, people are always asking me about my plans and where am I going and what am I doing, yada yada. Well, I don't have a plan. It goes by the flow of what's happening in the day. Okay? If you don't have big plans made, then your plans aren't going to get ruined. Just saying. Okay? Where are you going to be this evening? I don't know. Yeah, find out when I get there. Okay. So that's the way I run my journey. I'll find out when I get there. And I haven't been disappointed yet. Okay? I have not been disappointed yet. So open up a little bit. You'll find out you don't need to be so controlling, trying to control everything. When you're trying to be in control of everything, you find out you cannot control. And then you just get frustrated. So let go and find an adventure. Enjoy the adventure. And I will see you online. Aho! Thank you. If there's a subject you want to see talked on, let me know. If there is a reading you might want to see done, let me know. Okay? And I will see you online. And the puppies are waiting to go OUT this morning. They haven't gone yet this morning. And Max is giving me the face over there. Are you giving me the face, Max? Are you? Yeah. He said it's chilly, Willy, but I still need to go out and do my stuffers. You know, even in the cold, I need to go out and do my stuffers. So don't forget about me, Mom. I'm going to leave this here so I can get the boys out real quick this morning. Have a great one. Thanks for tuning in. For the new people, welcome. For those that have hung around, always good to have you here.